Why hello everyone, my name is Avery, that one kid from math class, and today I am going to be showing off my quarter project. And my project was, I was going to figure out the gravitational acceleration of Minecraft. So, I'm going to explain a couple basic things about Minecraft that you will need to know. This is called redstone dust. It pretty much makes it so that when this button is pressed, power is transmitted into this TNT, which lights it. This is a redstone repeater. It does the same thing as redstone dust, except for it just takes longer. This is a redstone torch. When the power touches the redstone torch, it'll turn off, which is deactivating the piston, which will make this block of sand start to fall. And by the time that happens, the TNT will explode, making the sand fly way over there. So, it's pretty much all you need to know. This button reloads the cannon, this button fires the cannon, and this button we don't really need to know about. So, as you can see, I have made two experiments. One is a TNT cannon that will launch this block of sand way over there. Well, I mean, both of them do that. But this one uses 6 pieces of TNT, while this one uses 8. So I'm just going to show you what to do, and then we can move on. So, you can see this going up, and now the sand has been launched. And now, oh, there it is. And it fell right here. So, this is just kind of the average area it'll fall. It's hard to tell. It's not exact every time. So just don't worry about that. I'm gonna reload this just for fun. And now we can see how much more powerful this one is. So as we can see, it does the same thing. But this one goes a fair bit further. And this one, I accidentally made the line like off, but I mean, it doesn't matter. The line was just counting. But you can see that it goes a lot further. But what I was trying to show in my quarter project is that doesn't really matter. It's just the amount of TNT makes it stronger. So now we're going to start talking about the gravitational acceleration of Minecraft. So the equation that we're going to need is called the equation of uniformly accelerated linear motion, or UALM, as I would like to say. And this equation is supertext. I think it's called supertext. But it's like the little squared sign, so y2. And y2 is the sand when it's way up there at its midpoint, because this tower represents the height at its midpoint. So y2 equals 0.5 gravitational acceleration, so we're going to say that is g, times t, which is half of the time it takes for the sand to get to the way over at the other side. So that's how long it takes for it to get up there. So t squared plus velocity times t plus y1, which is right here, which is the sand when it's right here, so 0. So we can simplify this equation, which I have done, and we can solve the equation for both of the cannons. Oh, wrong page. So this cannon, let me just say the equation first. The simplified version of the equation is y2 equals 0.5g times t squared. So the velocity times the time is easy to take out, because the velocity at the start, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about the velocity at the start is 0. So no matter what the time is, you multiply it by 0 and it comes out to be 0. And y1 is 0, so we don't need that, so we just take it out. So oh, I'm sorry. Still recovering from being sick. So if we put in all our numbers, 71 is the height of that tower. So 71 equals 0.5g times 3.3525 squared, which is 11.2392. So that would be 71 equals G times 5.6196, which is half of 11.2392. Blah, 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 blah. So what you want to do is divide by 5.6196 on each side, and that comes out to be G equals 12.635. Now that 3.3525, that is half the time. That's the time it takes to get to the height of the midpoint. So if you were wondering where those numbers came from. Now this side is going to be really close. The only reason it's not exactly the same is because I was timing it just using my phone as a stopwatch, so there will be a little bit of error there because it's not exact. So for this equation, it's 90 equals 0.5g times 3.7825 squared, which is 14.3073. So that'll be 90 equals g times 7.15365, which is half of 14.3073. So you want to divide by 7.1536. 365 on each side, and it comes out to be G equals 12.581. So you can see that 12.634 and 12.581 are really close, but just so I can have one number, I found the mean, which is 12.6075. So that is the gravitational acceleration of the video game Minecraft. Now, you will probably never ever use this in your life, but hey, it's just a quarter project, and I thought it'd be kind of interesting. So that's it for now. I hope you all enjoyed my quarter project, and I will see you all later. Bye.